Today I'm making a Halloween dinner idea. I'm making a chicken Alfredo pasta bake. First I have a large pot with boiling water. Next I'm going to add 1 box of this pumpkin-shaped pasta and cook it according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, I'm going to make the Alfredo sauce, so in a pot I have 1 stick of butter. Next I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and cook this on medium heat until everything is melted. Now that everything is melted, I'm going to add 2 cups of heavy cream and let this cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add a 5-ounce container of Parmesan cheese and add a little bit at a time until it's all melted. Then I'm going to add a sprinkle of garlic powder and mix that up. Next, add 2 cups of cooked chopped chicken and mix that up and let this cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Next, I drain the pasta and put it back in the pot. Then I'm going to add the chicken Alfredo sauce and mix that up. Now I have a 9x13 pan. I'm going to add the chicken Alfredo pasta to the pan. Next, I'm going to sprinkle 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to bake this in the oven at 350 for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Here's an up-close look of the chicken Alfredo pasta bake.